Hi. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a bit of a haul. All of this month there's been massive sales on Nykaa and Myntra and Sephora and Tira. Okay, so the aim today was to be able to show you some of the products and do up my face with whatever products I've ordered. A more or less full face makeup. So I have only moisturized my face, that's my base. I want to show you how the product looks by itself. I just feel like it kind of interferes with how natural the item is, because otherwise you're picking up something and then sometimes the base works really well or maybe a setting powder works really well, so you always end up going like, hey, the effect is not as it should probably be. So whatever you purchase should be just as is. Just want to let you know that I've already kind of like dabbed myself with some of the just the stain, and also of course the sun is dimming, like just bits and pieces of like a little bit of sunshine, but it's like two, not even two. Getting into this right away, I had ordered 2 lip liners and all from the affordable range, but it has no such excess feature. That's just because the category is like that. Like your lip liner does its job, it just lines the lips. Sometimes it even does work as a kajal. In that sense, yeah, that's your color. My face is completely like bare. I'm going to show you how. Since I have 2 lip liners, I'm going to do like one side of my face with one product. Brown chocolatey color. Just smudging it with your hands. It just defines the lips so much more. Your face looks way more finished, I would say. One of those like people who already have super defined lips, naturally. And you have like these blurring lipsticks and then it looks so good, so you don't even really need a lip liner, but then you're one of those blessed ones. So this was my other color, the super solid brown. Funny thing is that online, like whenever you're picking up the color, you are not sure how the color is. The difference between, I would say, like Swiss Beauty and Mars is that Mars goes on way more smoothly. Smudging this is not as, don't kind of blend all that much, so it's more like a lip definer. So your Mars would still blend, like as you can see in this one, and this one kind of just stays. I'm not gonna like color the whole thing, and I've not ordered any lipstick. Right, so you can see that's how the lips are. And this was pretty on this side. Okay, then I'd ordered a Rare Beauty blush. I didn't even wait to like unbox it here. I just opened it because I really want to use it and try what it looks like. I think it's mini, I'm not sure, or maybe mini is smaller, or maybe this one's large. I can't even remember, but it was on sale. I think it was like on 20% or 25% off. Crazy rupee. That's how rich it is. Now that like I've already seen how crazy pigmented it is. Like, put some here. I'm so nervous. Seen how they like use just one plop and it like goes crazy in spreading it out. Here goes nothing. Okay. Whoa. I look like I have been brutally injured. I wanted a little bit on my cheek. Okay. So obviously it has some kind of flush and it definitely has a little bit of slight sheen. I mean, it's not got any shimmer, that's for sure, but it is slight redness. I'm not sure if that color suits my skin palette. Like maybe the tones are just way too deep, or like it's too warm, or maybe I need to go for more, and I'm so nervous to attempt more. See, like I feel like the pigment's really good, like it's really strong and potent, but maybe another color would have been better. Damn. We're proceeding. I have the concealer. This one I've already shown. Okay, this one's the Elizabeth Arden one, which I've shown in one of my vlogs. If you've managed to see it, a portion like this, might show what it would look like. I would say that brighter portion of your face, you can have a brighter color concealer, and I think it blends pretty okay with my skin. Now see, I hadn't applied the concealer beforehand, so whatever mark I have there is still present. And this one's here, where you can see that I have similar pigmentation here, which I have here. Works fine. Other product I had ordered was this Inside. This was the Inside blush. Again, I've been making so many mistakes with the blushes I've ordered. I think I've ordered like 4 already. So this one's the blush by Inside. It's got this very cool nude one, and this is how it looks by itself. It has this little brush, sponge. Ooh, so cute, and it has this like slight, little bit of like embossing or debossing. Blushes are like such a hit and miss, and I'm not sure why I'm not able to crack the color which I really want. Ooh, let's go for that. Ooh, it's like a little more powdery than I'd expected, but let's go. See, this is how it looks. Go for it. Color is divine, and it's really sticking to like the concealer spot. Obviously, it needs like a setting powder to kind of like air out that area. So I'm not even using any brush. Like if I had no tools and I had nothing. Okay, wow, it's really grabbed onto that spot where I have concealed out, right? So I would have thought that it would have been a little more mauve and slightly deeper. You kind of like can't go wrong with colors like this. Daily wear kind of items. Realistic by itself product review. But yeah, that's the blush. Blush for red. What is this kind of packaging? Why do you need to tape it like it's... The last one was the foundation I'd ordered. This one's the Charlotte Tilbury. It's, supposed to be one of the best ones out there. Like, I hope that obviously it matches my skin tone, matches my shade. Skin tone specifically. As I've mentioned previously on several vlogs and maybe a haul or two, still struggling to find like the right shade or tone or whatever. Yeah, that's how it is. Massive. Like, how long will this last? And if it's the right shade, then like, then it's great. And if it's not, then I will just be collecting foundations now. Thanks to Nykaa, but they're like massive discount. Like, I don't even know what deal I managed to score. The 4 neutral was the color I finally got. See, I'm going to this. Wait, oh, that's so. Now I'm going to go for areas which I've not colored already, because these are already ranges that I have colored. And just kind of want to show you that a foundation is just usually for your mattifying the canvas region. Some people just go with just the concealer. Now I have decided to use the product just about on this region on my face, and I've gone here because I still have excess and I kind of want to like finish it off this region so that it kind of looks balanced. It's a more neutral color, so anything which is closer to like these regions, which are usually warmer, so a warm one would work as well. This is its appearance without it, just in this region, and this is with it. Okay, so I'm not even putting any setting powder, but I can already feel like it's fairly stable. Like sometimes when you use like a foundation, you can feel that it's kind of like shifting under your fingers. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I definitely have that issue because I feel sweaty. I won't say it's like flat out, because obviously setting powder will do the job of like just totally locking it in and then completely drying out that area or that space. It's comfortably resting on my skin without moving or shifting. But once again, I'm still in AC, so maybe when I step out in the sun and in the humidity, then I'd get an idea of like how stable the product is. And I know like I look like complete cartoon with like different blush ranges or whatever and products here and there. It's just to show you what it really looks like. It was just kind of like the first impressions review, so I'm not trying to create something where I'm providing the look that will come subsequently. See, now the sun is kind of like coming up again, but this is not fair. Like, I just shot the whole video and like now it decides to come up. Say like if I have to review all of them one by one, lip liner is great. This one's kind of on the darker side and it seems to last longer. This one smudged more, but I always prefer a smudgy one because then I know that I can blend it well with the lipstick I apply. This color I feel like is more summery, so it's like a little sun-kissed and it's kind of like, wet. That wet look is there. Dry, I think for those skin, it definitely works. Now, a powder blush always works and I prefer it because I sweat more, so for me that's an issue or that's a concern. And the foundation works really nice, staying intact, and the color is pretty bright and it's not patchy. That's another good thing. I think when I started doing videos and I was just getting into doing makeup and I was just getting into using foundations for events or whatever, like doing it for yourself. So at that time it was cold, so I didn't have any issues like, oh, my skin is sweating out and it's not breathing. Everything was stable, everything was intact. As the season of the heat approached and summer came in and then monsoon came in, so obviously like these are like hot and sweaty and like humid weather, so your products don't stay. and they swab out issues. But I hate, like, look at that, the sun is fully out, but now I can just show you whatever the product's gonna look like, and that's pretty much it. I hope this was like easy and fun. I want to make a quick video about it, but this was just to show you whatever I got from the sale. Nykaa Sale is obviously really good. I think it was a couple of weeks earlier. They still have really good coupons or whatever, but Nykaa Sale is, I think, like, I've never done a Nykaa Sale before, so for me this was unbelievable. I'd done a Myntra previously, or like some brands are there and then their deals are like fantastic, but Nykaa, hands down. I get why girls are obsessed. Like, they are such Nykaa diehard fans and followers. It's because their deals are impeccable, unmatchable, unbeatable. Everybody loves them because, like, and it comes so fast. You're not waiting out for like 5 days. It comes like overnight. It'll come next day if you order in that time slot or in that city where they have that offer option. So in like 2 to 4 hours your product's here. Like, that is, I think, like one of their best features. And if you've seen any of my finance videos on my finance playlist, Nykaa is one of the stocks I had recommended. And you spend so much on Nykaa, then you earn as well, because like having shares of Nykaa means that you would earn as well. Maybe we'll review that. But anyway, have a great weekend, enjoy yourself, and all the best to you.